hot on the heels of the D box arriving, another box has arrived, another one of the black boxes. So you would think this would be the E box, but something on Amazon made me think this might be the F box. So let's open it and see. And obviously by the thumbnail for this video, you're going to know which one it is. But it is the F box. That's interesting. So the E is out there in limbo somewhere. But this is out of the F case. Go figure. Okay, so let's go through it and see what we got. Oh, cool. I got one of the letter vans, one of the Art Cars vans. There was one of these in the Pinks race. It was the light colored with the dark letters. It was really cool. And I've been looking forward to this. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but cool. That makes me happy. The Dodge Viper. The Dodge Viper is an interesting car. I knew someone who had one, and it's an interesting car. Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. That's nice. That's a nice looking casting. Track Manga. Special feature. See back for details. What's the special feature? Oh. Apparently the pipes on the hood, you press them and the lower bumper thing moves up and down. Okay. Hey, the Subaru WRX STI. Oh, I'm going to mess with that. That's going to be fun. The Damascene Veloce. That's a nice looking car. Huh. Very nice looking car. Well, I certainly wasn't expecting a Beatles casting. The Yellow Submarine. Okay. Oh, wouldn't it be cool to do some kind of sci-fi? Oh God, what was that show on forever ago? That 60s show where they were inside the bloodstream of people anyhow, I'm heading off way into a tangent. It's Yellow Submarine casting. I love it. New for 2023, the Dragon Wagon. That's cool. Hey, I'm liking this F case a lot better than I like the D case. I can tell you that. The Renault Sport RS01. That is nice. Nice looking car. The Roadster Bite. Okay. Oh, the Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7. New for 2023. Just a classic Porsche look. Gotta love it. Gotta love it with the little ducktail on the back. Gotta love that. Oh, all right. The classic Batmobile tuned version. I love it. Like I said, I think in the last unboxing of the black boxes, I generally don't like tuned cars, but I'm loving that. The Ford Escort RS 2000 new for 2023. That'd be a fun one to detail out. Put a cool livery on it. That would be great. Another new for 2023, the 73 Honda Civic Custom. And truly, lime green. Wow. That is cool. Man, those wheels are tiny. Damn. I mean, damn, they're tiny. 2018 Bentley Continental GT3. If you see me tipping these, it's because I'm not sure what the treasure hunt or super treasure hunts are in the F case. So I was like kind of checking just to be sure on all of them. That's nice. That's a nice looking casting. I would love to see that in a classier paint job. And finally, this 2017 Camaro ZL1. I love Camaros. So there you have it. This was a pretty good batch of cars. I'm really happy with this this box. This box makes up for anything nasty I said about the D box. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'm throwing all these back in here. More stuff for me to butcher. Oh, after the last video, it was funny. I got a really nasty comment from one person who's now actually blocked from the channel. Go figure. But about how I was lazy and I don't understand the hobby if I have these things just delivered to me, blah, blah, blah. YouTube actually blocked it because of the words used in the message. I didn't notice it right away, and then it got blocked. Then I permanently blocked it and blocked the user from the channel. But I think what some people think is that I collect these, and I don't collect castings per se. This is all something I can butcher. So, yeah, I'm not a pig hunter. I don't collect hundreds of these things. I collect customs done by me and other people. And I'll figure out how to fit this later. The yellow submarine is throwing me off. But basically, this is all stuff I'm looking forward to either giving away or butchering. Is kind of where it falls for me. So I thought maybe I should make that clear to people who watch these. And I enjoy sharing these unboxings with you. For those people who do collect, they can see what's in one of these. And I do the giveaways. Because I don't collect a lot of these castings. I enjoy butchering them, customizing them, doing whatever I can with them. And I have a lot of fun doing the giveaways of ones that basically I don't have the heart to butcher or I buy specifically to give away. So anyhow, thanks for watching these videos, everybody. Have fun with this stuff. It's a really fun thing to do. And come on. How can you not love this stuff? Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.